The leaf is a miracle of natural engineering. Beneath this glossy surface lies a clear gel, rich in vitamins.
From ancient Egypt and Greece to India and China, it was used for
Modern commercial aloe farming happens in warm regions around the world. Plants need sandy soil, good drainage, and plenty of sunlight.
Inside every leaf are three main layers. The outer skin protects the plant. The inner core contains the crystalline.
Aloe Vera Juice is not just a drink that, it is hydration, fiber, and plant-based nutrients working together.
But before this plant becomes a bottled health drink, the journey continues, from farm to factory.
In the next chapters, we step inside a world of precision engineering, food science, and quality control.
Aloe vera isn't grown in greenhouses. It thrives outdoors.
A mature aloe plant is between 3 and 4 years old. By this time, the gel and
Workers are trained to choose only the outer leaves, the oldest and the heaviest. This allows the inner leaves to keep growing, protecting the plant's life cycle.
From the moment the leaf is cut, the clock starts ticking. Heat and sunlight can begin oxidation, reducing gel quality. The leaves are transported the same day to the processing facility. Many factories keep trucks temperature controlled below 10 to... Every crate is labeled and tracked, from farm to final bottle. This traceability system allows quality teams...
Soon, these leaves will be washed, graded, and filleted. But the foundation of a pure aloe drink
Within hours of harvest, the aloe leaves arrive at the factory. From this moment forward, every step is controlled.
The leaves are moved into a temperature-controlled receiving bay. Keeping aloe cool slows oxidation and prevents microstings. Every crate is scanned into a digital system. This records the farm, batch number, harvest time, and weight.
Next, the grading line. Leaves are inspected for size, color, thickness, and physical damage.
Once approved, the leaves enter a multi-stage washing system. Filtered water and food-grade sanitizers remove soil, dust, and nibbles.
The brushes are designed to be soft, firm enough to remove dirt, but gentle enough not to rupture the skin.
After washing, the leaves pass through a draining stage. Drying the surface prevents diluted water from entering the gel.
Quality teams continuously test random samples for microbial load, pH balance, moisture content, and polysaccharide structure.
Before the aloe leaves are opened, they enter a controlled clean room environment. Here, air is filtered.
The first step is edge trimming. Automated blades remove the serrated sides of the leaf. This exposes the internal layer. The leaves are then placed upright to drain the latex, a yellow sap that naturally flows after cutting.
Now comes the most delicate step, filleting. Skilled technicians separate the transparent gel from the green skin using thin...
In some factories, semi-automated gel lifters are used. A flexible blade slides beneath the gel like a wave.
The filleted gel sheets are then cut into uniform cubes. This increases surface area for later filtration. A final rinse removes traces of latex and surface microbes. The water is chilled to protect.
From here, the gel is transferred into sealed tanks. Oxygen exposure is minimized to slow oxidation.
Raw aloe gel is fragile. The moment it leaves the plant, natural enzymes begin breaking it down.
The gel is transferred into chilled, double-jacketed tanks. These jackets circulate cold water around the tank walls, keeping the product below 10 degrees.
To prevent oxidation, the air inside the tank is replaced with nitrogen gas. Removing oxygen reduces...
The gel is then passed through activated carbon filters. These microscopic pores trap pigments and trace amounts of aloin, the bitter...
Next comes microfiltration. Multiple filter stages remove suspended particles and reduce microbial load.
In parallel, laboratory teams monitor the chemistry. pH must remain mildly 6. Once stabilized, The gel travels through sealed sanitary pipelines. These closed systems protect the product.
Now the aloe gel is stable, clear, and controlled. From here, it will be blended, flavored, and prepared.
Stabilized aloe gel now enters the formulation suite, a dedicated section where taste, clarity, and nutrition.
Every ingredient is added through metered dosing systems. Flow meters and digital pumps ensure exact.
The water used in aloe juice is purified through reverse osmosis. Minerals, odors, and microbes are removed.
Aloe gel is naturally thick and fibrous. High shear mixers gently break down large gel clusters.
To keep the drink from separating over time, the blended juice passes through a homogenizer. High pressure forces the mixture through microscopic openings.
pH is carefully adjusted using natural acidifiers like citric acid. A mildly acidic.
Different product lines may be blended, original unsweetened aloe, lightly flavored varieties, or sugar-free formulation.
With blending complete, the aloe drink is uniform, balanced, and stable. The next step will protect it for safe. The blended aloe drink now moves into the thermal processing hall. Here, microbiology meets engineering. At the center of this system is the plate heat exchanger. Thin stainless steel plates create narrow.
This technique is called flash-pasteurization. The juice is gently heated, usually between 72 and 90 degrees Celsius.
Once heated, the juice travels through a specialized hold tube. The length and diameter are engineered so the product remains.
Immediately after heating, the aloe juice is cooled again. Rapid cooling prevents flavor changes and helps.
From this point forward, the product must never contact normal air again. Sterile filters and positive pressures. Every temperature spike, every second of residence time, every pressure change is recorded. These are critical control points.
The aloe juice is now safe, stable, and protected from contamination. In the next phase, it will enter the high.
The pasteurized aloe juice now enters the aseptic filling hall, one of the cleanest environments in the entire factory.
Even the bottles must be sterile. Before they meet the product, they pass through a sanitizing tunnel, washed and
Centrifuges. At the center of the line is the aseptic filler. Multiple nozzles dispense exact volumes of aloe juice with
Before the cap is applied, nitrogen gas gently replaces the air inside the bottle. Removing oxygen slows oxidation.
Next, the cap is applied and sealed using torque control. Too loose.
Tamper-evident bands are added to protect consumer trust. Then every bottle passes through leak detection systems using.
Smart cameras analyze each bottle pleuris, checking fill level, clarity, label position, and
From raw desert plant to precisely sealed bottle, every step has protected what nature created.
Every batch of aloe juice is only approved after passing through rigorous quality testing. Inside these controllers, samples are first tested for microorganisms. Tiny drops of aloe are cultured in sterile dishes and incubated under control.
chemistry testing follows. pH levels must remain mildly acidic for safety and
Aloe's functional benefits come from long-chain polysaccharides. Using chromatography, scientists verify.
Quality isn't only inside the bottle. Laser sensors verify fill level. Torque testers confirm the cap seal.
Selected bottles undergo accelerated shelf life testing. They are stored in climate chambers at elevated temperatures and light exposure.
Even with advanced technology, the human senses still matter. Trained tasting panels evaluate aroma, flavor smoothness, and aftertaste.
Only after passing microbiological, chemical, mechanical, and sensory testing is a batch approved for sale.
Once approved, each bottle is labeled with identity and traceability. Lot codes, manufacture date.
Vision systems scan the barcode and label alignment. If even a small misprint or misplacement is detected,
Bottles are grouped and placed into sturdy cartons by robotic case packers. Consistent stacking reduces pressure inside.
Robotic palletizers build stable transport loads.
Stretch wrap film locks each pallet together, preventing movement during
Finished pallets move into climate-controlled warehouses. Temperature and humidity are carefully managed, preventing warmth from us. Digital tracking systems monitor every pallet. Inventory software records who produced it, when it was bottled. From here, the Aloe drink begins its international journey by road, sea, or air.